right, guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. Now I'm going to give myself a shameless plug. Definitely go check out the RT Life store. I have a handful of Mopar designs, and it makes for some really cool hoodies. Now I dropped the price as much as I possibly could, so you should be able to get a pretty good deal out of it. I guess it really all depends on where you live and the shipping costs, but definitely go check it out when you have a free moment. Now every morning I check out a handful of websites that report on everything Mopar, okay? And when I go there, I type in Dodge, I type in Mopar, just to see what the latest either speculation is or what's actually going on with all these Chargers, Challengers, Jeeps, Rams, you name it. I try and stay up to date with what's actually happening. On this list happens to be Mopar Insiders, Auto Evolution, Car Buzz, Hot Cars, and I actually checked out one of the articles that was labeled 2022 Hellcat features on hot cars. And within this article, they're reporting that Dodge is planning on implementing a switchable all-wheel drive system, which is absolutely amazing. Now, typically when I see something that's that big of news, all the other websites typically start weighing in or confirming that this is something reputable or actually has substance to it. Now, no other website is reporting that Dodge is planning on doing a switchable all-wheel drive system, which means that, you know, on the streets you can drive around all-wheel drive, and then if you want to do a burnout, you know, you hit the button and then it goes to a rear-wheel drive. If you want to, you know, hit the drag strip up, yada yada yada. So I personally am a huge fan of a switchable all-wheel drive system. The benefits, obviously, of all-wheel drive is that the traction on the street is much better. Anybody that has driven a Trackhawk, a 5.7 Hemi between the years of, I believe it's 11 to 13, they have an all-wheel drive RT. You know, the traction out of the gate is amazing.
Well, I'm gonna do off idle. I'm just gonna go for it. Whoa.
What are you doing?
Just stomped on it. Ready? Oh, snap!
Each time that I've driven a 392, even a 5.7, especially a Hellcat, from a dead stop, you know, you pretty much do a 60-foot burnout until you can actually catch some traffic. So if the Hellcat does implement some kind of an all-wheel drive system, it would actually make it a better street vehicle, and it would also make it a more all-season or every season type of car. Now, obviously, there's some drawbacks to the all-wheel drive system, and the most notable would be the added weight to the car. Now, most Hellcats fall in between the 4,500 to 5,000 pound weight, and an all-wheel drive system is going to obviously bump up the weight. I really do believe that we would see a lot less nonsense races online. You would really be able to see the full potential of that 6.2 liter supercharged V8 Hemi.
Oh, holy shit! Wow! Oh my god!
I didn't realize it was going to pull like that.
Damn!
All of her glasses just went flying. Sorry, babe. Oh, wow.
If they did offer all-wheel drive in the Hellcat, the 392, and the 5.7, obviously the V6 already has it in the GT trim, but if they did offer it with the V8 Hemi, is this something that you would actually want, or would you trade in your current vehicle for it? Now, I know many people that live in weather where, you know, it's basically a 1 or a 2 season type of place. They really don't see the benefits of the all-wheel drive unless you're doing street racing and whatnot. Many of the people that I surround myself with are the kind of people that have Hellcats and Scat Packs, and they use their Mopar all year, meaning it has to be good in the summer and it has to be good in the winter where snow and rain and sleet and everything is happening. So many of the people up north are, I believe, would really want to see that all-wheel drive system, but I would want it just for the launching, the 0 to 60, and the consistent ability to actually just step on the gas and actually go. I remember when I had the Jeep 392, and I'll tell you, every acceleration would kick your head back into the rest seat. Obviously, you know, the 392 and the Jeep would kind of fall off a little bit in comparison to the Trackhawk or the Hellcat on the higher speeds in the highway and everything. But that all-wheel drive setup, it was amazing to have. Very limited burning out and or tire spin or anything like that was actually really nice. So guys, definitely let me know what you think in the comments below. I found this a very interesting article. You know, it's very rare that, you know, you come across an article with this kind of speculation. I am a little bit skeptical about them implementing an all-wheel drive system in Hellcats, only because we already have a Durango, we have the Jeeps, the 392 and the Trackhawk. Although the Trackhawk and the Durango Hellcat are going away, it would be amazing to see the Chargers and the Challenger all-wheel drive Hellcats, 392s or 57s. I just find it a stretch because typically news like this, you know, a lot of websites are publishing, throwing their opinion out there, and there's some kind of other confirmation that Dodge is planning on doing something like this. Cool, but it's a bit of a long shot. Okay, guys. With that being said, I will check you guys out on the next video. Definitely check out the RT Life store. Definitely, you know, make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys. Trying to, you know, hit that next milestone, grow the channel, have some fun. You know, hopefully you guys, you know, keep on keeping on and enjoying those Mopars. So I'll check you on the next upload.